Which apparently still isn't enough. What else you got? Where's this sending me? Well, there's some more rocks. The other side. And boulders. Didn't you miss those? Okay, there's a lot of teleporters. Okay, not sure what's going on here. Let's take out the spider ladies. Come on. Back up. And heal. I can't hit these things. Oh, I see it coming for me. Oh, come on. How about this? Ugh. Yeah, you just stand right there. Looks good. Save, of course. Where'd that open? Okay, we're gonna have to start that boulder. Damn it. I didn't see that coming.
I've got to get back up.
And I'm dead. Luckily, I saved. And not too long ago. Yes, I pushed the switch here. It's opened this place. Okay. It's like apparently invisible until I step on it.
Got to get back up.
And then I just die. Okay. So let's grab these. Turn that on. What the? Ah. Okay, I'm sorry. This is embarrassing.
I've got to get back up. Away from this heat.
Yeah, and I'm dead again. This dungeon is driving me insane. Oh, that works. Let's try it this way. Or, yeah, I don't like these guys. They don't take enough damage. Especially when they gang up on me. I mean, I'm really sorry about dying like 7 times there, but come on, this game is starting to get kind of unfair. Okay, nothing I can do there. Looks like I'm kind of trapped. How do I get out of here? I can push this switch, and it'll roll that boulder back over. Open this wall. Of course. No, it's moving on its own. It's moving on its own. I don't know. Save just in case. Fiery Jesuit armor. Reduces damage by 40%, fire damage by 25%. I could use that. Jesuit helm. Reduces damage by 5%. That's not very good. I'm just gonna put that there. Potion of healing, which I want to use. I'm gonna save it here, just in case. It's moving on its own, and it's really... See, that's the thing that really pisses me off about this game, is just this. Let's see if this helps.
I've got to get back up. Away from this idiot.
Barely helps. Getting annoyed now. Getting very, very annoyed. I mean, how am I supposed to get out of this? It just... I guess I just walk forward. And it walks back! Ugh. I'm not controlling this right now. What the hell? There we go. Very, very annoying. Well, that pit's disappeared. So I guess I can walk back over here. That pit's back. And pit's disappeared. There we go. Where'd that put me? Oh. Okay, let's put some of these down. Makes. Of course, makes me back up, even though I didn't click on the back up. So close to the end of the game. Can't stop now.